A family-owned company, Barron Industries is a unique full-service manufacturer of investment castings, precision machine components, and completely assembled mechanical subsystems.
You can start out on the lower level sweeping the floor. You can work your way up. There's plenty of places to go, all the way from machining to engineering to wax room, forging. It's almost endless here. It's a great thing.
One of the greatest things about Barron is the opportunity for advancement. Personally, I started off as an engineering assistant, and today I'm in charge of process engineering, CAD engineering, and any potential quality issues we may have with customers. When it comes to the culture at Barron Industries, I can really appreciate the fact that everyone treats each other with respect, dignity, like a family, and that we're all working towards a common goal.
It's a nice thing when you get up in the morning and you don't say to yourself, I don't want to go to work today. Barron Industries is a great place to work. I enjoy it and plan on being here till I'm done.
Barron provides on-the-job training, and for many of our entry-level positions, there's no previous experience required. Barron also sends many employees to outside training and certification programs, allowing them to advance in their jobs. So if you're looking for secure, long-term employment in a friendly, family-like work environment, come grow with the team at Barron Industries.